This 2010 Adventurer LP Adventurer 106 DBS, Powerstroke 52,000 miles is a truck camper RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Adventurer LP is 10 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, TV antenna, awning, water heater, microwave, air conditioning, refrigerator, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2010 Adventurer LP Adventurer 106 DBS, Powerstroke 52,000 miles is 3,376 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.